Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix Facebook professional mode not showing. First thing you want to do is head over to Facebook, app info, storage and cache, and then clear the cache. After that, check if that works. If it doesn't, then what you need to do is head over to your Play Store and make sure the Facebook app is updated. If it still doesn't work, you can try heading over to Facebook and then at first log out and then log back in. And if none of these work, what you need to do is head over to Play Store, search for any VPN like Super VPN and download this one, and then head over to the application and then you want to turn it on. And once it's turned on, you want to see if your Facebook professional mode is working, and that should be it. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.